Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and activate iOS 27 AI Siri on any iPhone. So guys, if you want to download and activate iOS 27 AI Siri on your Apple device, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all go back to your home screen and now open settings on your device and then go to general and then go to software update and then go to automatic updates and turn on the toggle for automatically install. Do this, and after this go back and go to beta updates and then go to iOS 27 developer beta, and then you have to simply check this to iOS 27 developer beta from here as well. So guys, do this and then you will get the latest update, that is iOS 27 beta. Now you have to simply download and install your device to iOS 27 beta from here. So as you have to simply download and install this iOS 27 beta from here, and then you have to simply tap on update now and update your device to the latest version, that is iOS 27 beta. So guys, after this go back and then you have to simply go to Siri and then you have to simply go to talk to Siri from here, and then you have to simply activate your Siri AI from here. So guys, from here, once you download and install the iOS 27 developer beta, you will be able to activate Siri AI from here very easily. So guys, once you update your device to the latest version, you will be able to activate Siri AI from here very easily. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.